Hello everybody, this is Renee Rutten, and in today's Canva training video, we are going to talk about infographics. And if there's anyone listening here who has not joined canva.com yet, you need to jump on and do that. It is a fantastic site for creating graphics and creatives for your advertising, and it's totally free. So today we're going to talk about infographics. So we're here on our home page. And we're just going to go here and we're going to search and we're going to say info and here it pops up for you. Okay, so what is an infographic? An infographic basically is something that is got a lot of visual to it as opposed to just paragraphs. If someone is coming to your website or blog or lead page. So we're going to just select this one over here. I kind of like this one. And then I'm just going to show you how you can change this up because you can change absolutely everything on here. So the first thing that I'll show you is the color. So we want to grab this color up here and then we can change it to anything that we want. I'm a red person, as you people know that are been watching me here. Only I don't like bright red that's, kind of burns the eyes. Okay, so then we're going to go down here. We're going to say change all so that all of the elements that were that blue color are changed to red. Okay, now, of course, you're going to have to change your copy. Now, as you click on here or hover over here, you can see that there are two sections that are grouped together here. I'm going to ungroup those because I want to get rid of this little bottom one and make more room up here. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is continue on in changing this text. So let's go here and I am going to make this a much more readable text because people will scan your copy, and if something is hard to read, they'll just go on to the next person's. Okay, so how to create a fantastic online income. Okay, perfect. So that's how you change the text of all of this stuff that you want to your information, the information that you want to share. Okay, so if you want to just totally get rid of something like this text up here, and I did that just a minute ago, but just highlight it, grab it, and pull it off. Okay, now these. Let's go over here and let's go to elements and let's go to computers, and I'll show you how to change those. So let's just grab this computer here. It's nice and simple. Now this comes in whatever size is over here. It's an automatic, but you can change that. So let's find these dots here around it that change the size. Let's shrink that down. Let's grab this ABC, pull it off, and then just place the image that you want in there. And then of course you can do the same thing for each of those. Okay, now if this is just a little bit too small to read, which it is for my aging eyes, just increase the size a little bit so that you can see a little bit better. Okay, so then here is where you will go in and change your text. Now this is in two different groupings. If you like that, you can just leave it that way. You can highlight this up here and you can change this text, and then you can go down here and you can change this text. Or what you can do is take this, and you can see that they're all selected with those dots around there. You can ungroup it, and then you can just get rid of this one. And then as you're typing, all of your text will be large like this. So those are different ways that you can do it and how you can change that infographic to fit whatever style and fashion that you like. So then just go ahead and rename it, download. And again, if you're using this on the web, make sure that you download it as a PNG or JPEG. And that's the end of the video of how to create infographics using the format on Canva. So have a great day. Thank you for watching. Please leave me comments. I appreciate those very much, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.